Today we're starting with just one basic dough, but from this simple base, we'll create 4 delicious flavors. These will be the foundation for all kinds of fun and festive cookie designs you can make. Let's get started. Six sticks of unsalted butter and 6 tablespoons of cream cheese, along with 2.5 cups of sugar. What we're doing here is creaming the butter, cream cheese, and sugar together. Don't forget to scrape down the bowl so everything mixes evenly. We'll whip this for about 5 minutes until the mixture becomes much paler in color and creamy, just like this. Next, add 2 large eggs and 3 egg yolks. Whip again for about 2 more minutes until the mixture becomes lighter and fluffier. Now add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Once all the liquids are well incorporated, add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. This helps enhance the flavor and balance out the sweetness. In a separate bowl, we have 6.5 cups, about 780 grams all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. Cream of tartar helps keep the cookies softer, smoother, and more flavorful. And it also helps prevent the cookies from browning too much. Add the flour mixture to the egg and butter mixture. You don't want to overwork the dough. We're simply incorporating the flour. This dough is actually very similar to a pastry dough, so you want to keep it cold as much as possible. I like to fold it gently at this stage. The total weight of our dough is 1,911 grams. When we divide it into 4 portions, each portion will be about 475 grams. Add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and about 3 drops of red food coloring, which is optional. Then add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. For each portion of dough, we'll add an extra 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour, depending on how much additional dry flavoring we're using, such as matcha powder or cocoa powder. Place the dough onto plastic wrap. Sprinkle 1 more tablespoon of all-purpose flour and use the plastic wrap to pull the dough together. Because this dough is quite sticky, this method makes it much easier to handle and helps avoid a big mess. Finally, transfer the dough to the refrigerator, and we'll roll it out after about 2 hours of chilling. We'll start with 1 portion of the base dough, about 475 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of matcha powder and give the dough a quick fold to combine. If you'd like a brighter green color, add 2 drops of green food coloring, which is optional. Then fold once more until evenly mixed. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Transfer the dough onto plastic wrap. And use the plastic wrap to gently pull the dough together. Place the dough in the refrigerator, and we'll roll it out after about 2 hours of chilling. Using 1 portion of base dough, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of espresso powder. Then fold the dough just until combined. Transfer the dough onto plastic wrap. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and use the plastic wrap to bring the dough together. Refrigerate the dough and we'll roll it out after about 2 hours of chilling. For the classic sugar cookie dough, this is what we have left in the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and gently fold until incorporated. Transfer the dough onto plastic wrap and use the plastic wrap to pull the dough together. Place it in the refrigerator and we'll roll it out after about 2 hours of chilling. All 4 cookie dough flavors have chilled for a couple of hours, and they're nice and firm now. This makes the dough much easier to roll, cut, and shape. That's it for the dough. Stay tuned for the next video, or we'll shape, bake, decorate, and even package these cookies for gifting. You won't want to miss it. See you then!